welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I'm going to show you to do really quick is how to change the solenoid. It's really easy to get to on the X18, so let's just get started. Alright, so this is actually really easy. You're going to want to remove just these bolts here on the side cover. It's a little bit stiff in there. And then you can go ahead and take the number 4 one out. And take the top one out. That. That's out of the way. Now the solenoid on this bike. We come down here, and there it is. So it's right here. So you just have to pull it out like that. Pull the plug toward you. The plug is going to be plugged into a yellow and green wire, so we can just unplug it there on this side, and we'll pull it right through, and I'll show you where it plugs back in. There, so that's the plug. So all you have to do is we'll take the wire off there and there. And that's just a 10 mil. Super easy to do. So I'm just gonna leave that hanging there like that. And then I'm gonna take off that other 10 mil. Okay, so that's that. Now we're just gonna put it right back in the exact same ways we took it out, and I'm gonna show you. So this is the way it's gonna come. So this one comes from the battery to here, and then from this one, this red wire, it goes to the starter, and that's, so when you hit the button, it goes through this wire and flips a switch inside here, just like a light switch, and that's what makes your starter roll over. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and we'll grab our wire for our starter. So go ahead and then we'll tighten this one back on. Like that. And we flip that little cover over so it doesn't ground or touch anywhere. And then we can take our battery wire and hook our battery wire back on. Just like that. Tighten. And we put the little rubber tab over the top of that, just like that. And then we can put it back right up into place between them two brackets. That just pushes it directly on. There we are. Like that. Then we're going to take our other wire and we're going to put it through the grate in the back there. There we go. And then just reach in on this side here and you grab it just like this. Just like that. And then we're going to plug it right back into its plug. And it plugs into a green and a red wire. Just like that. And there it is. And that's it, guys. So that is how you change your solenoid. Now we just have to put our cover back on here. I'm sure you guys can figure that out yourselves. It's just putting 3 bolts back on. But I'm gonna go ahead and start this one. And that's it, guys. That is how you change the solenoid on your X18. And that'll work again on the 50cc or the 200cc.